lads. Seal the hatch. Nobody gets out until the buffet is empty.
Barnaby, I remember that song. It was you. The gate is our only chance. We sneak through the tunnel while the gardener is busy. We have to move now before it closes.
Come on, Barnaby, we can do this. Barnaby started with a low note, a rumble that travelled through the soil and into the stems.
Together, their voices merged into a sound so powerful it could move mountains. Or at least, mischievous caterpillars. Woohoo! We did it! Oh, joy!
The neon green menace quickly scampered away.
Lila and Barnaby proved that no matter how big the problem or how small the gardener, working together is always the...